Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can enable incognito mode on YouTube. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to enable incognito mode on YouTube, it's actually so easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your YouTube. And after opening your YouTube, next, I want you to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And once you're on your profile, I want you to swipe this to the right, and then you will now be able to see the incognito mode option right here. Just go and tap it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now be on YouTube incognito mode, so you can now browse and watch YouTube videos privately all you want. And if you want to go back to the original YouTube again, just tap this. And then you will now be able to see the turn off incognito option right here. Just go and tap it. And after that, you will now be back to your original YouTube. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.